Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upload videos to Google Drive without losing quality. Many people worry about their video quality suffering when they upload to Google Drive. It's a common concern, but let's address it right away. The good news is that Google Drive maintains the original quality of your video files. It does not alter or compress the original files you upload. So, if you notice that your video looks a bit blurry or pixelated when you view it on Drive, don't panic. This is usually due to the streaming preview, which is designed for quick viewing and may not reflect the true quality of your file. However, when you download the video, it will retain its original quality. Now, let's dive into the steps on how to ensure your videos are uploaded without losing any quality. The key here is to upload the original video file. Avoid the temptation to re-export or compress your video to make the upload faster. Each time you compress a file, you risk losing some of its detail and quality. It's best to keep your video in a standard format that is widely compatible with different devices. Formats like MP4 are generally the best choice, but MOV and AVI are also acceptable. As long as you stick to the unmodified original file, Google Drive will keep it intact. Uploading your video is a simple process. If you're using a computer, start by going to drive.google.com. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to store your video. Then, simply drag and drop your video file into the window. You'll see an upload progress bar indicating how much of your file has been uploaded. It's crucial to let this process complete fully before closing your browser tab or shutting down your laptop. Large video files can take a considerable amount of time to upload, so patience is key. Ensure that the progress reaches 100% to avoid any interruptions. If the video looks a bit fuzzy when you play it back directly from Google Drive, remember that the built-in preview is optimized for fast streaming, often displaying at lower resolutions like 360p or 720p. This is intentional so that videos load quickly. To see your video in its full glory, download it from Drive and play it locally on your device. You'll notice that it matches the original file you uploaded. A stable internet connection is essential, especially for large video files. Whenever possible, use a reliable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data to avoid interruptions. It's also advisable not to switch networks during the upload process. Keep your browser tab or app open until the upload is complete, as interruptions can cause delays or make the preview appear worse than the actual file. Here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth upload experience. Keep your file names simple and avoid using special characters like %signs or slashes, which can sometimes cause upload problems. Also, ensure you have enough storage space in your Google Drive before you begin uploading. If your file is particularly large, consider uploading it by itself rather than alongside other large files, as this can prevent potential bottlenecks. To sum it up, Google Drive does not compress your video files. If you notice a drop in quality, it's likely due to the preview playback, a slow internet connection, or expectations based on the preview rather than the actual file. By uploading the original file and letting the process complete fully, your video will remain in its pristine, original quality. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to upload videos to Google Drive without losing quality quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.